At ADT, we believe that everyone deserves to feel safe. That belief is what drives us to create innovative safety solutions to fit everyone's lifestyle, both at home and on the go. Meet SoSecure, a personal safety app that lets you take proactive measures in uncomfortable situations or could even help save your life if you're in danger. Available for free download on iOS and Android, SoSecure brings ADT's time-tested and trusted security right to your smartphone, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are or what you're doing. In fact, getting help is as fast and as easy as sliding a button, sending a text, starting a video chat, or even saying a secret phrase for hands-free assistance. Whichever way you reach out, a live ADT agent will answer 24/7. In an emergency, we'll alert first responders and provide your location as well as any necessary details to help them get to you as quickly as possible. We'll also notify your emergency contacts, who we call your guardians. If you're in an uncomfortable situation or simply in need of reassurance, the agent can stay on the line with you until you feel safe. The app comes with several free response features. The SOS slider allows you to swipe to let us know you need help. We'll call to check on you and alert emergency responders upon request, or if we can't confirm you're safe. If you can't talk, not a problem. Just tap chat and be connected to an agent via text. Finally, the SoSecure widget enables you to request help even faster from your Apple lock screen or Android home screen. You can also get an added layer of protection with SoSecure's optional paid features, including voice activation. Just set up a secret phrase that the app will recognize and call for help, even when your phone is locked, allowing you to discreetly alert ADT without anyone around you knowing. Video monitoring connects you via video with an ADT agent who will be able to see you and your surroundings and send help if needed. With Trackme, you can set a time for any activity and invite ADT and optionally your guardians to track you using GPS. If you don't stop the timer and we can't confirm you're safe, we'll alert 911 and your guardians. Crash detection helps us detect if you've been in an accident. Professional monitoring agents will check on you and quickly send help to your location if needed. And with one tap, access roadside assistance for help with a dead battery, flat tire, empty tank, and more. You deserve to feel safe. With your safety sidekick SoSecure, you can have peace of mind knowing that ADT, the most trusted name in security, is never more than a tap away.